There's an industry built around telling employed professionals over 40 that they need a coach to build a YouTube channel. You fill out the form, you wait for the call doesn't come. Every YouTube coach in this space runs the same intake: name, email, channel URL, your goals. That's it. No baseline, no score, no measurement of where you actually stand before they sell you a program. And that's not an accident. Because if they measured you going in, they'd have to answer for the delta coming out. The unfalsifiable guarantee is the product. The call is the sales mechanism. Your audience has filled out that form. They're still waiting. I didn't wait for a coach to tell me what's wrong. I ran the diagnostic myself. Signal score 55 out of 100. CTR signal 10 out of 30. That's my primary constraint. Repair queue generated, everything measured, no call required. The baseline exists. The delta is measurable, and I didn't need anyone's permission or anyone's program to find out where I actually stand. That's what a score does that a sales call never will. It tells you the truth before money changes hands. The first thing you get from me isn't a sales call. It's a score. Run the diagnostic before you talk to anyone, including me. You'll know your signal score, your primary constraint, and exactly what to fix first. If you then want a coaching call, you're walking in with data. So am I. That's baseline before engagement. No unfalsifiable guarantee. No waiting for a call that isn't coming. The number either moved or it didn't, and that's a promise I can keep. Run it free. PressureTested.co. This isn't about one coach, it's a pattern, and it's built into the architecture of how coaching gets sold in this space. When there's no baseline going in, there's no accountability coming out. If the channel grows, the coach takes credit. If it doesn't, you didn't do the work. The customer absorbs all the risk, the coach absorbs none. Your audience has seen this, they've paid for it, and they're still waiting for someone to show them the math instead of selling them the dream. So here's what I built instead. The diagnostic tool runs your channel against real data, CTR signal, impression depth, upload velocity, topic consistency. It scores you out of 100. It tells you your primary constraint. It gives you a ranked repair queue in 30 seconds, no form, no wait, no sales call, dressed as a discovery call. The first thing you get from me is a score. If you want to talk after that, you'll have data. So will I. Run it free at PressureTested.co